Hello everyone, I am Dr. Sirajul Faizi. I welcome you in my YouTube channel. Today in this video, I am going to talk about principle of IR. So, I will focus on introduction of spectroscopy, introduction of IR spectrophotometry, and principle of IR spectroscopy and of molecular vibrations. So let us start learning of principle of IR. So what is spectroscopy? Method of seeing the unseeable, means atoms, molecules. Using electromagnetic radiation to obtain information about atoms and molecules that are too small to see. So spectroscopy is an instrumentally added study of the interaction between matter, sample being analyzed, and energy and portion of the electromagnetic spectrum. So, UV visible radiations, excitation of electrons, UV visible spectrum. IR radiation, vibrational change in molecule, IR spectrum. So, IR spectrophotometry. Energy of molecules is equal to electronic energy plus vibrational energy plus rotational energy. You know, IR spectroscopy is concerned with the study of absorption of infrared radiation which causes vibrational transitions in the molecules. So, IR spectroscopy, also known as vibrational spectroscopy. You know, IR spectra are mainly used in structure elucidation to determine the functional group. So this is, you know, the radio, microwave, infrared positions in electromagnetic radiation and molecular effects, you know, lower frequency to higher frequency, longer wavelength to shorter wavelength. There is a wavelength differences, energy and molecular effect, ionization, electronic transitions, molecular vibrations, rotational motion, nuclear spin transition. You know, IR region 0.8 microM means 800 nanometer to 1 mm, 1000 microM. So near IR, middle IR and far IR. Most of the analytical applications are confined to the middle IR because the absorption of organic molecules are high in this region. So what is the principle of IR spectroscopy? Molecules are made up of atoms linked by a chemical bond. The moment of atom and chemical bonds like spring and bond. So this characteristic vibration are called natural frequency vibration. When energy in the form of infrared radiation is applied, then it causes the vibrations between the atom of the molecules. An applied infrared frequency is equal to natural frequency of vibration. Then the absorption of IR radiation takes place and the peak is observed. So different functional groups absorb characteristic frequencies of IR radiation, hence gives the characteristic peak value. Now the IR spectrum of chemical substance is a fingerprint of a molecule for its identification. Now, criteria for a compound to absorb IR radiations. What is the criteria? First, correct wavelength of the radiation. Then change in dipole moment. What does it mean of correct wavelength of radiations? A molecule to absorb IR radiation, the natural frequency of vibration of some part of a molecule is the same as the frequency of incident radiation. Now, change in dipole moment. What does it mean? A molecule can only absorb IR radiation when its absorption causes a change in its electronic dipole or electric dipole. A molecule is said to have an electric dipole when there is a slight positive and slight negative charge on its component of atoms. So, molecular vibrations. There are two types of vibration, stretching vibration and bending vibration. Stretching vibration means vibration or oscillation along the line of bond. Change in bond length occurs at a higher energy, and it is also further divided into many types, means two types: symmetrical stretching and asymmetrical stretching. So I will show you the symmetrical stretching. Two bonds increase or decrease in length simultaneously, and in this one bond length is increased and other is decreased. Then we call it asymmetry. Now bending vibration. Vibration or oscillation not along the line of the bond. So these are also called deformation. In this bond angle is altered, which occurs at low energy, and it is further two types: in plane bending, scissoring or rocking, or plane bending, begging and twisting. So in plane bending, scissoring, this is in plane bending, two atoms approach each other, bond angle are decreased. Rocking, movement of atom takes place in the same directions. Out of plane bending, two atoms move one side of the plane. They move up and down the plane. Twisting, one atom moves above the plane and another atom moves below the plane. So my friends, I hope this video will be beneficial for you. If you like this video, then subscribe my channel, and thanks for watching.